Ahmed,
Yeah,
how are you doing today?
I'm doing
How are
fabulous.
you?
Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm all right, thank you, Ahmed. This is our first session together, yeah?
Yeah, actually, it's my first session here on Clapingo.
All right.
I'm
So
very
tell me
new
about
here.
yourself.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, so my name is Ahmed, and I'm from Iraq, and I'm an IT programmer. I want to improve my fluency, and I want
All
to
right.
learn some sophisticated word uh, to, sound like more native.
All right. Okay. To sound like a native speaker. Right. So how did you
Yeah.
come across this platform, Ahmed? How did you come across this
Um,
platform?
I'm a YouTuber, and I have a
Ah,
YouTube channel. There
okay.
where I'm sure like my videos, like conversations on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
used to like write down on YouTube like
Okay.
English conversations. Yeah. So
Uh-huh.
when you like search for these videos, you will see like so many like apps for
Yeah.
conversation. So yeah,
Yeah,
as soon
right.
as I wrote like English conversation, Clapingo app showed up for me, and
Okay. Right.
it's an amazing app because
Yeah.
I could see like there are so many people they have improved their English during this
Yes.
videos.
That is true. So how's your YouTube career going on?
Yeah, actually, it's going very good because people there like on YouTube are still like motivating me and giving me
Mm.
like the courage to continue with these
All
videos.
right.
And
Okay.
I'm learning from my my videos. Like I'm watching my videos
All
over
right.
and over, like to improve
Mm.
my my listening, as well as like sometimes when I
Okay.
watch my videos, I told myself like,
Mm-hmm.
wow, I should have said like this word, not this
Not
word.
this.
Yeah,
Right.
we have to use like alternative.
Yeah, that's the best method to correct yourself. If we have good enough English to correct ourselves, that means
Yeah,
improvement will be faster. Yes? So, my name's Akila, and I am from south of India, a state called as Kerala, and I work as a tribal resort manager in the eastern part of India, another state called as Orissa. Yeah.
yeah,
hmm So we do have a topic for discussion, and that is travel. Can we talk about travel?
yeah. Okay, yeah,
Do you
sounds good.
enjoy? Do you enjoy traveling, Ahmed?
Of course, of course, because travel when you travel, you will discover new things and new
Mm-hmm.
traditions. You will discover
Mm-hmm.
new food, and it's which is
Yeah.
very good, to our like mental health. I this is
Yeah.
my conception, right?
Yeah, that's true. I think it keeps you at a good place when you're traveling, yeah? You
Yeah,
are at peace. Yeah? Where all have you
exactly.
been to? Where all have you been to, Ahmed?
Yeah, I have been to Turkey like
Mm-hmm.
4 months ago, I guess, and actually
Mm-hmm.
it was a good it was a good trip. I
Mm-hmm.
yeah explore like so many cultural places there. In
Mm-hmm.
Turkey, they have like so many historical places,
Yeah.
and it's amazing actually.
Mm-hmm. And Turkish food is so tasty, yeah? Turkish food is so good.
Yeah, especially the sweets. They have like
Mm-hmm.
an amazing like sweets there because
Yeah.
it's full of like sugar. Wow, I like it.
Sugar. That
Yeah,
is true. I've been to Dubai, and over there are a lot of Turkish people living there. So Turkish food is quite common in Dubai, and I've tried many varieties of Turkish food. It's good, tasty, yeah.
yeah.
So, have you ever had any bad experience while traveling, though, Ahmed?
A bad experience.
Mm,
Yeah, actually, when you travel, sometimes you face some difficulties, especially
mm,
if you are like a foreigner, and
mm.
especially if you not like speak their language. It's
Mm-hmm.
it will be like a big I don't know, like it will
A
be like a
challenge.
challenge, yeah, for you. So actually,
Mm-hmm.
a year ago,
Mm-hmm.
maybe no, in 2019, because no, a year ago we
Mm-hmm.
didn't like travel because of COVID.
Mm-hmm.
In
Yeah.
2000, yeah, in 2019, I went to Turkey, and
Uh-huh.
actually, yeah, it was like the first time I got into the airport. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and that
Mm-hmm.
airport it was in new. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a very big airport, and I lost
Uh-huh.
there, and
Oh, you got lost.
yeah, and there were no one like speaking English. Okay, so
Oh.
I had to translate it from English to Turkey. Okay, in order like just to get like the exit door.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds scary at the same time. And you're just translating it. What did you use? Did you use the phone or did you use a dictionary? What did you use?
Yeah, Google Translation.
And then you were translating it and asking where can I go?
Yeah, exactly. You know, I
Oh.
told myself, yeah, it's a this is the fast way to get my
Yeah.
destination.
Yeah. Oh, it's very scary. Well, at least you didn't have that much of a bad experience, but some people they get stuck at some place because they don't know the language there, and then oh my God, I've only seen it in the movies though.
Yeah, like they have like a signs there in Turkish and
Mm-hmm.
English. But
Mm. Mm.
this airport, like it's very big.
Uh-huh.
So you have to
Mm-hmm.
you have to like walk over and over like
Oh
just to
goodness.
get like the door. So
Oh no.
I had to ask the police officer there.
Yeah. Did you have company or were you traveling alone?
Yeah, with my friends.
Okay, all right. So
Yeah,
yeah, that was not a pleasant experience. Yeah. What would be the best experience that you've ever had while traveling then?
best experience actually.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
My best experience actually when I see like new places that I didn't know these places exist.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for example, I
Mm-hmm.
got to
Mm-hmm.
like I said in Turkey, there are so many historical places. So
Yeah.
yeah, I saw like a castle, a big castle. I don't know. This castle belonged to like 6,000 BC.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just like the castle when you see it on
Mm-hmm.
that TV show, Game of Thrones. It's just like these
Uh-huh.
castles.
Oh. Ooh, nice. I think it belonged to the Ottoman Empire, I believe, isn't it? Turkey was under
Exactly.
Ottoman. Ah, yeah.
Exactly. Ottoman Empire. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. I've seen this Turkish series where it's about the Ottoman Empire, I believe, and it's so
Yeah.
rich, culture rich. It's got so much of culture to the country.
Have you
However,
been
go on,
have you been to
please.
Turkey?
No, no, I watch a lot of shows and I watch a lot of documentaries and all that about world. So I know a
That's
bit
why
about
you
Turkey.
know.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
however, I think it's a corrupt country right now. Yeah. It's under Erdogan. Who's the empire? I mean, dictator, almost like a dictator. It's under someone. Who is that?
The,
President or someone.
the
Yeah.
president of Turkey now?
Yeah, yeah, Erdogan, Gundogan, something
Erdogan.
like that.
Erdogan.
Erdogan, yeah. So
Yeah.
he's a little corrupt, and he's making the country a little, corrupted, isn't it? I've read about it.
You mean like he drive Turkey to like corrupted things?
Yeah, yes, yes, corruption and
Co-
all that.
Um, no, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not sure about that because I like I'm following the Turkish history, and
Ah, yeah.
before Erdogan rule, Turkey it was
Mm-hmm.
like you can say not like today
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
for developing because I think he started rule Turkey in maybe 2007 and he
Yeah.
started to build like so many malls, so many like metros,
Yes, yes, yes.
markets, and
Mhm.
yeah, he has helped to develop Turkey so much.
He has helped, but then people say that he's almost like a dictator and all that kind of ordeal about him. At the same time, yeah, he actually paved the way for development in the country as well. Yeah.
Uh, yeah, exactly. I don't know. You know,
Hmm.
some people, if they cannot like get the interest from the like their government, they
Yeah.
see like bad
Talk
things
bad.
on their government, right?
So true, and true about India as well. Same is going on in
Ex-
India. There are people who like Modi ji, and there's some people who really absolutely hates him.
but you
Yeah.
know, like I haven't seen like people like praise their government, right?
Well, that's
Like
true though. That is actually true. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. So, Ahmed, I am actually still not able to see you. I wish I could see you, but I just blank screen for me. But anyways, it's all right. We have
No,
2 more
actually,
minutes. Mm.
yeah, because, yeah, you know, as I said, like this is my first session, so I'm not familiar
Mhm.
with like Clavingo. Let me touch the screen. It's like here, it's just like Zoom. It's just like Zoom.
Yeah.
We are on Zoom, like right?
Yeah, we're on Zoom. It's a new platform for you. You'll get used to it. It's all right. It's okay. So
Yeah,
as a feedback, what I'd like to give you is I think you got good
yeah,
English. You're
please.
very interactive, and I think you're fun to talk to. At the same time, yes, you can try and improve the usage of filler sounds like I think it's overpowering your speech at times. You're wanting to use the sound with everything, and this is coming
So
through. Yeah.
do you want me like to add like these sounds like
To this that yeah, I want you to try and reduce the usage of that sound.
yeah,
It's a filler sound, and if we look at American English,
yeah,
American native speakers, they tend to
yeah,
use a lot of filler sounds and filler words like and all that. However,
yeah.
it does reduce the quality of speech. Yeah. And probably in
Exactly.
India, yeah, in India we do follow British English mainly. Probably that's why I think so. But still, I think if you try and avoid filler usages, filler sounds and filler word usages, and if you replace it with some good words, you will sound better. Hmm?
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. I got you.
Mm. And you told me that you are wanting to talk like a native speaker. So you can
Yeah.
focus on using better phrases. Like they tend to use a lot of phrases in their English. If you look at Australian English or American English or
Yeah.
any different accent, they use different kinds of phrases. Yeah. So something like that you can try and incorporate into your speech. Yeah, something like hang in there, or we got off on the wrong foot, or instead of could have, we tend to use coulda. Yeah, I could have done that. Yeah,
Yeah.
I should have gone there, something like that. So that kind of phrases will make you sound like a native speaker even if you're not trying. So it's
Yeah, like
effortless.
yeah, it's like to make like these sentences like shortened, like in a shortened way. Like I'm
Yeah.
gonna, yeah,
Yeah, I want to do that, something like that. And also
yeah,
better phrase inclusion as well. You can look it up, native English speaker phrases. You will find a lot of phrases, and you can choose some and you can use them in your session.